Okay, so just a garden update. It has rained so much this spring. Weeds are taking over the garden. I can hardly get in there, it's so muddy. So I have the garlic is blooming. Won't be long till it's ready. The zinnias are all up pretty good. I've got a few spaces to fill in. The morning glory's starting to grow up the trellis. Mud is everywhere. For some reason the clematis is dying. I'm not sure why. Just wanted to give y'all a little update. I've been sick for a day or so. Haven't gotten out here. Plus all the rain. But I'm excited to see my sunflowers growing. Maybe it will dry next week and I can get some weeds out of here. Looks pretty rough. The corn back there looks great. The okra, green beans. And the tomatoes need caged pretty soon because they're getting big. Cucumbers are starting to grow up the vine, up the trellis. Potatoes look good. I have a watermelon over there in the corner. We'll see how that does. So I have a row of yarrow. I don't think it's up, but I know there's weeds in the row. Anyways, something new. Thought I would try it. So much mud. Alright, there's the update. I'm gonna go in now. I have a wedding to go to, and I'm gonna go get ready for that. It's actually a wedding video job. I'm a little bit nervous. Hope that the rain holds off so it can be outside like it has been planned.